Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a classic voice recorder. This is a very nice stereo recorder with up to 20 hours of continuous recording, 64 gigabytes of storage, but that can be expanded with different micro SD memory cards. We're going to be looking at the pros and cons of this, break it all down, let you know everything I like about it, everything I didn't like about it, and a whole lot more. First though, a few disclaimers. This was a review unit, but they don't get to see this review until it goes live on YouTube. They're watching it here just like you are. Always keep that in mind. We don't let anybody watch our reviews until they're live on YouTube. Second, pricing on this changes so rapidly. I'll put a link to this on Amazon down in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. You can find it on Amazon there. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'll do my best to answer them down in the comments. Lastly, hey, could you help us grow? Could you help me support my family? All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here, so YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow, helping us support our families. So with that said, let's dive in and just take a look at the actual device itself. It's pretty standard, pretty straightforward. It does have a very nice little display here where you can manage it right here, turn it on and off. It's coming on, there we go. So pretty standard, pretty quick, little easy on-off recording here. Volume keys for the built-in headphone jack here. It does come with a pair of headphones in it. Micro, very hard to show you this because it's just a big black box. Micro SD here. And then it does have right here the removable SD memory card. So pretty nice, straightforward recorder. 2 microphones on each side up here. Very easy to use, very easy to hold, very easy to set up. Now, it does come with a removable micro SD memory card, but you don't have to use that. You can just plug this in through the USB micro that's with the included cable to your computer, and then download your files, edit them, delete them, whatever you want right through there. Let's take a look at this, everything that came with it, and a whole lot more. I'll talk about a few things. Now, it advertises 20 hours of continuous recording, and honestly, that seems about right in our testing. As batteries age, that could change a little bit, but in our testing, we were able to record very long periods of recording without any issues. Let's give you a quick listen to what it sounds like with that. All right, this is a quick test of the recorder. I'm holding this in my hand in my office, about 10 inches from my mouth, staring straight at me. It's a pretty standard test here, just to give you a quick idea of how it sounds in a room that's a standard household bedroom type room with carpet. Well, there you go. There's a quick sample of what the actual recording sounds like. Again, it's not a high-end DSLR camera with a built-in lapel microphone, but it's a good little voice recorder to take voice memos, record lectures, conversations, whatever it may be. Very small form factor, easily fits in your pocket, and low profile on the look of it. Really do like it. It does have a built-in speaker, does have a built-in headphone jack to listen to it back, and of course you can plug it into a computer to easily download it either through the included micro SD memory card reader, or like I said, just plug in the micro USB cable to this and into your computer, and you can download the files that way. Overall, I ask myself a few things when I review products like this. Does it do what it says it's going to do? And yes, everything it advertised we were able to easily do. We had no problems. Everything worked as we expected from the Amazon listing. Second, is it well made? Did we have any problems? No, the body is very well made. We had no problems. All the buttons work very well. They feel good. They're easy to see, easy to understand. The display tells you everything you need to know about it. Very, very simple to use, very simple to do what you want, and it did it all. So overall, I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up. It's a very straightforward voice recorder. If you want a voice recorder for work, maybe lectures you want to record or more, yeah, this is great. I would recommend this. 2 thumbs up overall. I'll put a link to this on Amazon down in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. You can find it there. If I didn't happen to answer any questions you may have, leave me a comment. Let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. And lastly, if we helped you out, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here, so YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow, helping us support our families. Until next time, take care, be safe. I'll be back again real soon.